Hey, third grade, it's Miss I here. I was wondering, do you love to travel as much as I do? Do you enjoy going on vacation? I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things to do is to plan a trip. And when I'm planning a trip, I like to think about what I'm going to see when I'm on vacation. Are there going to be mountains? Is it going to be a desert? Am I going to see rivers or an ocean? When I think about all of that, I'm actually thinking about the physical geography of our country. Well, we're going to be studying about physical geography, and to get ready, I wanted to get your brains thinking about some of the amazing places in our country and what they look like or their physical geography. So I'm going to take you on a road trip that I went on not too many years ago. And I want you to see some of the amazing physical geography that I got to see. So are you ready to come on a road trip with me? Let's go. All right, hop in. No, just kidding. The red convertible, that's not my car. See that blue one down in the corner? That's the one that me and my friend Tiffany took when we drove across the country. It was perfect though. It had lots of room for all of our gear. Ah, take a look at these pictures. You see, Miss I look different, don't I? See those amazing trees in the forest and waterfalls and canyons? These are all places that I traveled to in America. And as you can see, the landscape is so different and the scenery is so different because the physical geography of the places I went to was so different. Whoa, check that out. Do you see me in there? In that tiny little person in that great big tree? Can you believe how big that tree is? We don't have trees like that here. And I know, I bet you're checking out that puppy. It wasn't my puppy. We just found him over by the river. But see that guy? He's fishing in that river and he caught lots of fish. What's next? Whoa, these are the Badlands. They were in South Dakota. It's amazing how different they look from the last picture that we looked at, right? No river, no waterfalls. It just looks like kind of a desert with lots of rocks. That's exactly what it was. Shall we go more? Check this out. In this picture here, my friend Tiffany, she's flying. We're on the beach. That beach was all the way across the country. That's the Pacific Ocean behind her. It was pretty awesome. Well, I hope you're ready to learn more about physical geography of different places in the United States and get ready to travel to amazing places in America. For the next couple of days, we're going to be studying about physical geography and we're going to learn about different landforms or the forms of the earth that make the earth different and unique when you go to different places. So make sure when you're watching the podcast, you're thinking about, have I ever seen any of these landforms? Do these look like places I've traveled to? And where do I dream of traveling to? Maybe you'll go to one of the places that Miss I went to on her road trip. Maybe you'll get to tell me all about a trip that you've been on to some place I've never seen before. So get ready to learn lots about our country and start thinking about where you want to travel to. And maybe we can make some travel plans together. See you guys soon.